In this video, I'll show you how to turn on the Wi-Fi Direct on your Epson XP-7100 and how to connect your phone to your printer. First step, press the home icon on the screen so we all start on the same page. Then you need to click on the top of the screen one of these icons. These are the Wi-Fi icons. Then you're going to click on the Wi-Fi Direct option here. Select Start Setup. Start Setup again. Wait a few seconds, it will enable the Wi-Fi Direct. And here it will give you the network name of this printer and also the password. Your password will be different, obviously. From now on, take your computer, your iPad, your smartphone, no matter what you have, go in the Wi-Fi settings of your device, and you need to find your Epson printer XP-7100. Here is mine, so I'll click on it. And now I have to type the password that is on the display of my printer. Press connect, wait a few seconds, and it will be connected. Now open any pictures, any documents you wish to print, and you'll be able to do so. So I'll show you on Android how it's working, but on iPhone it's about the same. So on Android you're going to find three dots on the top right corner. You need to click and select print. On iPhone you may have to click an icon down below that is a square with an arrow pointing inside. Then on the top select your printer, Epson XP-7100, and then select print. Wait a few seconds. This will extend on your printer. Don't touch anything. And here we go, we got our result out. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below if it was helpful. If you dislike this video, I want to know as well, so write a comment down below. And see you in the next one.